Want a brighter smile without spending hundreds at the dentist? Today, I'm sharing the 5 best teeth whiteners at home on Amazon that can actually make a real difference. From quick results to long-lasting brightness, I'll break down what works, what doesn't, and which one is truly worth your money. Let's jump right in. Number 1. Overall best pick. Crest 3D White Strips Express Whitening with LED Light. Crest 3D White Strips Express Whitening with LED Light is one of the fastest at-home whitening kits I've tried. The strips stick well and don't slide around, and the LED light really does speed up the whitening. You can notice a shade or two difference within a few uses. It's also great for people who want quick results before an event. The biggest downside is the sensitivity. If your teeth are already sensitive, you might feel some zinging during or after the treatment. Still, for the price and the convenience, it delivers reliable, visible results without needing a dentist visit. Number 2. My second best pick. Snow Extra Strength Teeth Whitening Serum. The Snow Extra Strength Teeth Whitening Serum is a sleek, effective pen that's super easy to use anytime, anywhere. I appreciated how the gel feels smooth going on and doesn't drip, perfect for touch-ups after coffee or wine. Its formula with potassium nitrate and hydroxyapatite helps reduce sensitivity while strengthening enamel, so I didn't get that harsh zing many whitening products cause. The flavor is mild and non-offensive too. That said, it's not as powerful as strip kits for major discoloration. If you want dramatic whitening, you'll probably need a stronger solution. But for subtle, consistent brightening, it's a solid pick. Number 3. My third best pick. INO Pro Natural Teeth Whitening Strips Kit. The INO Pro Natural Teeth Whitening Strips Kit is a gentle option for those with sensitive teeth. The peroxide-free formula uses papain and bromelain, which is less abrasive, and the coconut oil gives a subtly pleasant texture. I liked how the strips were comfortable and stayed in place without irritating my gums. Over the course of the 14 treatments, I saw a modest, natural-looking brightening. Not super dramatic, but noticeable. My only gripe is the lack of fast results. If your teeth are deeply stained, you may not see a big difference as quickly as with stronger whitening kits. Still, it's an excellent choice for gentle, slow, and steady brightening. Number 4. My fourth best pick. Teeth Whitening Kit with LED Light. The Teeth Whitening Kit with LED Light is a solid at-home solution for anyone with sensitive teeth. The LED light enhances the whitening gel, helping lift coffee and wine stains noticeably within a few sessions. I found the gel surprisingly gentle, no harsh burning or irritation, and it stayed put instead of sliding around. It's also compact and easy to use, so you don't feel like you're doing a full dental appointment in your bathroom. The only real drawback is that the results take a little longer to show compared to stronger peroxide-based treatments. Still, for sensitive smiles, it's a very promising pick. Number 5. Last but not least, my fifth best pick, Rembrandt Deeply White Plus Peroxide 1-Week Kit. The Rembrandt Deeply White Plus Peroxide 1-Week Kit is one of the few that gave me visibly whiter teeth in just a few days. The custom-fit strips mold well to your teeth so they don't bunch up or peel, which feels more comfortable than some other brands. The peroxide formula is powerful enough to tackle stubborn coffee and wine stains without damaging my enamel. On the flip side, the strips are a little too slim on some teeth, so they don't always cover the back corners. If you're okay with that and want a fast, dentist-level whitening boost at home, this is a really reliable choice. That's a wrap. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more honest news and smart product picks every week. Got a favorite teeth whiteners at home? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear what you're writing.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.